Hello, I am Rudy from Benefero with our Benefero frequency inverter. The frequency inverter is simple to use, yet saves you money. So what does it do to save money on pool energy bills? Well, the inverter steers the filter pump's RPM. How? Simply plug the filter pump into the inverter and plug the inverter into a 230V AC plug. The inverter is pre-configured, so it will start up at 2900 RPM just for 1 minute, then returns to the setting when the pump was previously stopped. So that's the 2900 revs. And after 1 minute, it will fall back to the previous setting. Look, the frequency controller has now gone back to 2300 RPM, and I now adjust the RPM with the downward arrow to 2200, 2100, or with the arrow up. It's not any more difficult. If I unplug it and it restarts later on with the original full power RPM, it will prime the filter pump and mitigate suction lift if air builded up. Now, to automatically engage and program the frequency regulator, I need a timer. Just a very cheap switch or a WiFiPOOL smart plug, which I can pair and with the app in my smartphone program. It's paid back in 1 year.